you ever spent a considerable amount of money on skincare products only to discover that they are worthless for you? A lot of guys use cosmetics that aren't right for their skin type, which may be frustrating and expensive. Welcome back to Dermos, the place to go for men's skincare education. We're concentrating on a vital, but sometimes disregarded component of skincare in today's video, correctly determining your skin type. Let's get started and learn how to choose skincare products wisely for clearer, healthier skin. The first step in developing a skincare regimen that works for you is determining your skin type. And to simplify, there are 4 primary types of skin. 1. Oily skin. If you frequently see shine on your face, particularly in the T-zone, your forehead, nose, and chin, you most likely have oily skin. This indicates that your skin produces more oil than usual, which can cause breakouts but also keep your skin hydrated. 2. Dry skin. Particularly after cleansing your face, does your skin appear tight or flaky? That indicates dry skin. It feels harsh and can become irritating because there is not enough moisture in it. 3. Combination skin. You have mixed skin if your cheeks are dry, yet your forehead and nose are greasy. This implies that you have to take care of the dry and oily areas, and you might need to use different items for each. 4. Sensitive skin. You probably have sensitive skin if it becomes red or irritated easily, or if it reacts to products easily. Are you prepared to discover your actual skin type? These are the professionals' evidence-based techniques. The bare face test. You can use the bare face test, a straightforward technique, at home. This is how it operates. Step 1. Start fresh. Start from scratch. Use a mild cleanser to wash your face in order to get rid of any oil, debris, or makeup. Dry your skin using a fresh towel. Step 2. Wait and observe. The crucial portion is about to begin. Wait. Take a half hour or so to expose your skin. Applying any products at this time is not advised. Your skin will be able to recover to its normal form as a result. Step 3. Check for signs. Examine your skin closely an hour later. Consider the following questions for yourself. Oh, oily skin. Is the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin the only areas of your skin that are shiny? If so, you probably have greasy skin. Oh, dry skin. Are there any obvious dry patches on your skin, or does it feel tight or rough? If so, your skin is most likely dry. Oh, combination skin. Do your cheeks feel dry, yet your T-zone is oily? This suggests that your skin is mixed. Oh, sensitive skin. Does using certain products make your skin feel irritated, red, or reactive? If so, your skin may be sensitive. Step 4. Note your findings. Write down your observations for a bit. This will assist you in identifying your skin type and help you make future product decisions. Achieving healthier, more radiant skin requires determining which skincare regimen is best for your skin type. Here's how to alter your regimen. For oily skin, cleanser. Use a gel-based or foaming cleanser to remove excess oil. Toner. Opt for an alcohol-free toner with witch hazel or salicylic acid. Moisturizer. Choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Exfoliation. Exfoliate 2-3 times a week with a bar. Sunscreen. Apply an oil-free broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. 2. For dry skin. Cleanser. Use a creamy, hydrating cleanser. Toner. Choose a hydrating toner or skip it. Moisturizer. Go for a rich moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. Exfoliation. Exfoliate once a week with a gentle scrub or aha. Sunscreen. Use a moisturizing sunscreen. 3. For combination skin. Cleanser. Use a gentle, balancing cleanser. Toner. Choose a toner that hydrates and controls oil. Moisturizer. Use a lightweight moisturizer for the T-zone and a richer cream for dry areas. Exfoliation. Exfoliate 1-2 times a week. Sunscreen. Apply a lightweight, broad-spectrum sunscreen. 4. For sensitive skin. Cleanser. Opt for a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Toner. Choose an alcohol-free toner with soothing ingredients. Moisturizer. Use a lightweight, hypoallergenic moisturizer. Exfoliation. Exfoliate sparingly, once every few weeks. Sunscreen. Use a mineral-based sunscreen. Some final tips. Patch test. Always patch test new products. Consistent. Stick to your routine for best results. Just seasonally. Be open to changing your routine with the seasons. Typical myths regarding skin types. Now let's dispel a few widespread misconceptions about skin types. Moisturizer is not necessary for oily skin. In actuality, moisture is necessary for even oily skin types. Maintaining equilibrium without adding extra oil is made easier by using a light-textured, oil-free moisturizer. Dry skin is limited to the winter. In actuality, a variety of factors, including nutrition, skincare products, and temperature, can cause dry skin all year round. It's critical to modify your regimen as necessary. Exfoliation is always beneficial. The truth is that excessive exfoliation can irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive or dry skin. Exfoliating does help eliminate dead skin cells from the skin. Strive for equilibrium. Essentially, oily skin is combination skin. The truth is that combination skin has both dry and oily patches, necessitating a customized strategy that takes into account each zone's requirements. Products cannot be used on sensitive skin. The truth is that well-chosen cosmetics can help with sensitive skin. Seek for hypoallergenic, mild solutions that calm rather than aggravate. The simple reality is that including age, hormones, environment, and lifestyle can alter your skin type. To effectively care for your skin, you must periodically. Keeping your skin healthy requires evaluating your skin type. Age, environment, and way of life are some of the variables that might alter our skin. Remember for more skincare advice that is specifically suited for you. If you found these tips to be useful, come explore with us the secrets to radiant, healthier skin. Give this video a thumbs up and forward it to others. Leave a comment below with any queries or subjects you would want us to discuss next. We appreciate you viewing.